Kids are out trick-or-treating tonight. The health department says it would be a good idea to have them wash their hands frequently. There's an outbreak of pertussis going on, that's whooping cough, and the highly contagious disease is hitting especially hard here in the Albuquerque metro. News 13's Amanda Goodman is live in the Newsplex with that. Amanda?
Well, Dick, of the nearly 200 cases in the state, about 2/3 are here in Bernalillo County. State health officials are trying to get the word out to stop the outbreak. The sound is unmistakable, and the Department of Health says it's being heard a lot more often in New Mexico. Whooping cough cases are up big time, especially in Bernalillo County.
We have had 188 confirmed probable and suspect pertussis cases in the state, and 130 of those have been in Bernalillo County.
Compare that to just 40 cases in the county throughout all of 2010. Whooping cough is a highly contagious bacterial respiratory infection. Infants are most at risk. State health officials say the surge in cases can be blamed on two things. First, the disease has a 3 to 5 year cycle. Health department officials started seeing an increase last year, but before that, cases had been down for the last several years.
The other issue is that it has hit one of our big population centers, Bernalillo County, Albuquerque, and so with the volume of people that you have, you're going to get more cases.
Health officials recommend everyone who hasn't been vaccinated do so sooner rather than later, especially people who are around babies. The DOH is also trying to get people to go see their doctors if they get a persistent cough that leaves them out of breath.
The earlier you get it in the course of the illness, the better. If you get it in the first stages, you can decrease the length of the illness. If you don't, then the treatment really is going to prevent spread of the disease.
Now the best way to keep from spreading whooping cough if you already have it is to stay home. Dick, back to you.
Thanks, Amanda. That sounds familiar because that's also good advice for flu season. But the health officials we talked to today say there's no evidence that the flu is here yet, so there is still plenty of time to get vaccinated before it arrives.
All right.